I'm Michelle, I'm the State Operations Manager for New South Wales. I'm going to talk to you about the S in iStep, which refers to the space, both indoors and outdoors, along with the resources and materials within it, which define the early learning environment. Research shows that the physical environment influences the emotional climate of an early childhood setting and influences the quality of children's experience. All space can be organised to be welcoming and inviting to maximise learning opportunities and positive interactions between educators and children. It's important that the layout and arrangement of both indoor and outdoor spaces is designed to maximise children's play and educator-guided learning experiences. The spaces we use need to be appropriate and flexible. Our environment should support children's choice and their need for resources. We can organise space into noisy, quiet and wet and dry learning zones. The zones allow for many different flexible room arrangements. We need to be frequently reflecting on the design, organising and contents of our spaces so that they continue to be responsive to the lives and interests of all children and expand their learning opportunities. You might want to consider how you can organise your space for infants and toddlers, which considers their unique stage of development and their interest to move about and practice emerging skills. You might like to consider how the space can be set up so that children are offered opportunities to make choices and demonstrate responsibility. Try getting down low in your space to see the room from the perspective of a child. Think about what you noticed. The guide discusses the organisation of indoor space, room arrangement, aesthetics, storage, displays, pathways, private spaces, materials and resources, and the need to also consider routines such as meal times and rest periods. It discusses the role of open-ended materials and loose parts in encouraging children to test out ideas and problem solve. The research highlights using open-ended materials and loose parts with no predetermined way of interacting with them, boosting children's creativity and problem-solving abilities. The outdoor space is seen as a continuation of the indoor learning environment, with play flowing from one to the other. The outdoor space should also allow for exploration of natural resources. Researchers have found that in spaces with grass and shrubs, children increase their pretend play, language and creativity and decrease bullying. Most importantly, the outdoor space offers opportunities for children that just do not exist indoors. Additionally, the research evidence shows that offering defined and flexible learning areas which provide space for individual and small group experiences increases children's focus on learning and reduces conflict. This is such a rich area with so much potential for us as educators. Why don't you take a look and think about which ideas you might want to put into action and how in your room, in your centre. Good luck!